Hello friend, welcome to ICT Breeze. Today I'm going to show you how to clear browser keys in desktop browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. Before we clear our keys and cookies, let me tell you why do I need to clear my keys and cookies. Your browsers tend to hold into information, and over time it could cause problem with logging in or bringing up website. It's always a good idea to clear out the keys or browser history and clear cookies on a regular basis. So let's do it. Let me show you how we can clear your computer keys and the cookies. Let me open the Google Chrome. Here, I just open the Google Chrome. Okay. There is a two different way that you can use to clear your browser keys and cookies. First thing is what you can do is just go to the search bar here or here. Okay, let me see here, and copy and paste this link. This link will be available on the description field below. So what did I wrote here is Chrome : /setting/clearBrowserData. Okay, just you have to type this and then press enter. When you do this, this kinds of window will pop up. Okay, here is the basic. So you have to select all of them here. Browsing history, cookies and other site data, case, image and file. And also go to the advanced here. The top rows here says time range. When you click here, you can see the time range here. Last hour, you just want to clear. So what you have done in the last hour or last 24 hours or last 7 days or last 4 weeks is almost a month, or all the times you want to clear everything. So here is the option that you can select. Okay, you just select all the times. Then here you have to select the browser history and download history, cookies and other site data, and case, image and file. And if you want to delete passport and other sign-in data, so you can click here. If you don't want to clear that, just leave it like that. Now this is the one way that you can clear. Just then go here and clear the data. Just click here, then all the temporary data, the browsers, the cookies, and the keys will be erased. Okay, this is the one way that you can erase all the data in Google Chrome. There is another way. Let's go here, 3 dot. Okay, click here, click on setting, then you'll see this ones here, and click here clear browser data under privacy and security right here. The same window will pop up here. Okay, basic, just select all of them, go to the advanced. So select whatever you need. Basically we select all of them here and we click all the times. Then what you can do is just clear data here. And there is other field that you can tick, auto fill from data, also you can select site setting, also you can click, and hotspot app data, 7 apps. So you can just click here and clear data. So I'm going to clear data. So it will take some time. So it was already done. So nothing left. So here you go. So this is how you can clear the data in Google Chrome. Okay. Now let me show you how to clear the keys and cookies in Microsoft Edge. Just open the Microsoft Edge here, and the right hand in the right top corner, there are 3 dots. Click here, go to the history, and right here is clear history. Just click here and clear history. So you can see here, and you have to select browser history, cookies, and saved website keys, and the file tabs I have set aside, recently closed, download history, autofill data. If you want, you can select password, media license, website permissions, everything you can clear. Okay, this is how we can do it. And always clear this when I close the browser. So there is another option you can do this once. If you don't want to do this, then you can just leave it off. But I just want to encourage you, maybe once a day or twice a week, or 3 times a week, please go to your browsers and clear. Okay, I'm just going to click on clear here. Is working. See, it's clear, all clear. It says all clear, it's done. So that's all you have to do it. Okay, that's all you have to do it. It's done. Thank you for watching my videos. For Internet Explorer 11 and Firefox, yeah, I have given the instructions below to make a video short. Please go and follow the instructions. And if you have any questions, please do comment below. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.